Hey everyone, so I just did my 21st micro needling using Banisher 2.0 and also my second TCA chemical peel using 50% solution. So these are the products that I use. So the TCA 50% solution, and then this is the Banisher 2.0 Derma Stamp Tool or the micro stamping tool. So I decided to not film while doing the procedure because I need to focus. But in this video, while I'm doing my aftercare routine, I will share what I did during the procedure for my second TCA chemical peel using 50% and also at home microneedling using the Banisher 2.0. So the first procedure that I did was the TCA treatment and then followed by the at-home microneedling using Banisher 2.0 Dermastamp. And what I did with my second chemical peel using 50% solution is not intense like my first session. So now before I applied the solution on my face or on my skin, I added 2 parts of water. So to be exact and for transparency, so what I did was I only put 1 ml of TCA 50% solution and then I added 2 ml of water. You may use any kind or any type of water as long as it's clean, but what I used was purified water. All right, and then I used a cotton pads to apply the solution or the product on my skin and applied it twice or applied 2 layers of the solution on my skin. So the solution did not frost, but it still stings on the skin. And still, I waited 5 minutes before applying the second layer on my skin. And also, I waited another 5 minutes before doing the second treatment, which is the at-home microneedling using Banisher 2.0. So if you already watched my videos on how I used or performed the at-home microneedling treatment using the Banisher 2.0, so basically that's how I did it as well in this session. But if you're new here on my channel and this is your first time to watch me, feel free to visit my channel and then browse through my videos. All right, and then about the aftercare, so I'm still using the Banish products. So I applied the Banish serum, vitamin C and E, and also I applied Banish vitamin C cream, which is the brightening moisturizer. Alright, so that's it everyone. I will just update you with my progress. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be notified. And I would like to say thank you everyone. So we are now 626 subscribers. So thank you for your love and support. Like I started with 0 subscriber and we are now 626. So for me, that's a lot. So thank you so much for your support and for keep on watching me. So please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me and subscribe to my channel. Bye mo!